You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, so insane.
Hi guys, it's me, Julie E. We were gonna do a really happy, fun unboxing for a package that I got from Amazon during the deal days this week, because Let's Resin polyurethane PU resin is on sale at like 24% off, and I got a really cool cute mold that I wanted to cast for you guys and stuff, but I'm just not feeling it. I got friends in danger right now from the hurricanes. It is Wednesday afternoon, about 4 hours before Milton makes landfall in Florida and stuff. So many prayers going out to them. Instead, what we're gonna do is listen to some calming, relaxing music and ink on a DaVinci Pro panel, ultra smooth wood cradle, and yeah, try and decompress, if that makes sense. Hopefully none of our friends have been hurt by the time you see this. Hopefully their families and friends are all safe, and that aid keeps flowing in to the other states that need it. And yeah, so yeah, let's go over to the ink table, we'll start some music, and we'll start inking.
Baby, don't know how to say it, but something in it drives me crazy. I know it shows, so tell me, when you lay alone in your bed, do you still dream of me? I think loud for the moon. Am I reaching out for you underground? Am I loud? But somehow for you and I distress, as long as no one asks what this really feels like inside out. They never would have guessed. We really did our best to make the story last. But I know that you are just an echo from below. And I hear you come through my dreams and tell me something sweet. And that's all that I need. Lost in tall grass, souls in the soil. How you understand me for me, made up of glass from water and oil, slipping like sand. But I know that you are just an echo from below. And I hear you come through my dreams and tell me something sweet. And that's all that I need from you, and all I ask is for you to do your best to make the story last. And somehow for you and I distress, as long as no one asks what this really feels like in our world. I see the light shining on the stage. This is what I imagine every day. 작은 한 뼘짜리 공간 속 꿈을 노래하는 거울 속에 난 그 무대 위에 더 자유로운 듯. They say that I could fall, that I should let go. Shut it out, I don't mind my problems. They only make me get stronger. I know that they're gonna push me go higher. 기억해, 완벽하진 않아, I say 완전해. 지금 이런 게 아니어도 I'm on the way. All my dreams, my eternal fire. On my mind, on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. I see my name nominated on the stage. This is what I imagine every day. Yeah. 지금까지 나를 믿어준, 언제까지 나 옆에 있어준 my friend. 울먹이며 바라보는 듯. They say that I could fall, that I should let go.
Wow, it got really dark outside. I don't know if there's a storm coming here now or what, but we're standing in front of my studio light. And yeah, I have not finished this yet. It will have a couple coats of Camar applied to it, and then I think I'm going to put a resin top coat on that because I just love the way the gold veins just, oh, they just shimmer in this. It's just so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. Please go check out Dave's DRH Acrylic Creations and Just Janice. They were both right before me for our Thursday train. I will put a link for the Red Cross along with their links to their videos down in my description. So if you can, please donate to the American Red Cross. If you can't donate money, but you can donate blood, that would be awesome too. They always need blood donations. So yeah, and until next time, loves and hugs y'all, and many prayers. Bye.